What's up to your babe? Is a back to school emergency kit video. All the need for school. So let's get into the video. Pads. Pads. You need pads. It don't matter. You need them. Not one, but two. Next, perfume. Perfume. You need this. Next, deodorant. You really need deodorant because you don't want to go to school musty. The next, you need lotion. You don't want to be ashy. People be talking about you. So, lip gloss. Lip gloss, toothbrush. This what you really need. Okay. That's all I have in that bag, but I wrote some stuff down, everything you need. Everything you need. Emergency kit. So next one is gum. You do need gum. It really don't matter if you did brush your teeth. You can not use mouthwash. You need gum. This one is a comb. Okay, a comb. You need a comb because people like combing their hair and stuff. I got braids, but comb. You need it. Okay. Next one is tape. You do need tape. There are pads and perfume, but make sure that's still one, pads and perfume and lotion and a toothbrush. But I wrote that down, but yeah, it don't matter. Next one is deodorant. I already told y'all that. Use deodorant every day. This go for boys and anybody else. You need money. Next item is money, cause you don't know what you need money for, like stuff, and don't have to ask for nobody for nothing. Okay. Underwear liner. I don't use underwear liner, but that's what I wrote it down for anybody else. Underwear liner. Next one is mints. Gum and mints, but it don't matter. Gum or mints. Mints. Gum is better than mints though, no lie. Next one is extra mask. I don't wear my mask. I'm just being honest. Like, that mask stuff is no. I can't do it, but you gotta stay safe around here. Like, the pandemic needs to go, cause I'm tired of that. I told y'all lip balm, chapstick, hand or body lotion, same thing as lotion, it don't matter. Hand or body, face, eyedrops. You know, sometimes people eyes be like watering or something. Next one is hand sanitizer. Want them giant pills for a headache, like if you came on your period or something, or if your head just hurting, you can use band-aids, like if you bleeding somewhere. You ain't gotta ask nobody for a band-aid. You got a band-aid. Wipes. The wipes that y'all like wash down there with. Not the wash down there with, but like wipe yourself with. If you don't want to use tissue, you can, cause sometimes tissue be real or something. But wipes, baby wipes, scrub down them. But anyways, next one is ponytail holders. Like if you got braids, or if you don't want your hair to go like be touching your back type, like be itchy on back, like sometimes itchy on back, you can put your hair up in a ponytail. And yeah, that's all for this video. That's pretty sure that's it that y'all all need to go back to school. Like emergency kit for school. That's everybody. That's all everybody need. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and then I'll see you all next time. Peace.